In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV list to create a contact list in Gmail. This process is quite simple once you get the hang of it, and it's a great way to keep your contacts organized efficiently. Let's get started right away. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Contacts. You can either search for it or go directly to contacts.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account if needed. It's important to use the account where you want your new contact list to be stored. Once logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the interface. You'll see options to manage your existing contacts as well as to create new ones. Now, look towards the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the option that says Import. This will open up a small pop-up window asking you to select the file you wish to import. You should have your CSV file ready at this point. If not, you may want to pause the video here and prepare your file. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly with headers like name, email, phone, etc. to avoid any errors. Click the Select File button within the pop-up window. A file dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Browse to the location of your CSV file, click on it, and then hit the Open button. Now that your file is selected, simply click on the Import button. Gmail will process your CSV file and begin to create your contact list. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your file and the number of contacts it contains. Once the import process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating success. To verify your new contacts have been imported, check your contact list for the expected entries. You can search for individual names or scroll through the list to ensure everything appears correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, double-check your CSV for correct formatting and reattempt the import if necessary. Before we conclude, here are some additional tips. If your CSV file contains a large number of contacts, consider splitting them into smaller files to streamline the import process. Also, remember to regularly back up your contact list by exporting your Google Contacts to a CSV file. This way, you always have a safety net in the event of data loss. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to import a CSV list to create a contact list in Gmail. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you're now ready to manage your contacts more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.